All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Guess who's back? Brandon's back.
Good thing it's not raining today.
No, you gotta love it more than you like it.
Oh no. Is it another stone?
Yeah. Working in a cemetery, in and of itself, can be a challenging task. Mix in a little rain, dampness, and cold, and it can make the work even more challenging, especially when you're handling grave markers, digging, or maintaining the grounds. Yet, it can also evoke a sense of reflection or a connection to the past. There might even be a quiet, peaceful stillness in the air. But keeping the rain off the camera's lens can also be a major challenge. But all in all, the satisfaction from the work done is still worth the effort. Stay tuned for this work and a bit of a surprise that we find near the end of this video. This is the traveler from Charleston.
Ah.
Yeah, he traveled from somewhere in North Carolina to Charleston. I think he was on his way back, and he died here, and so they took pity on him and buried him.
They gave him one heck of a stone.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
He had some money in his pockets.
Yeah, he wasn't traveling empty-handed.
About 18 inches, you think?
Yeah, probably.
Today, with my old partner in crime back in town for the holidays, we had to run an end around due to the weather. While we had planned to repair a couple of stones, we adjusted our to-do list and went back to resetting some tablets that had been laid down on the ground at some point in time.
All right. Is there a stone maker on the bottom?
I haven't seen it yet.
You want to throw a brush this way?
Still got your wide receivers. We're already at 18 inches. You find anything?
Nope.
I looked at the radar and it said it was going to dry up as well.
Yeah. I was like, man, that'll be perfect.
Yeah. It has not, though.
Kind of done the opposite.
Yeah, it's kind of got heavier. Let's slide her in there.
How heavy is it?
We're doing good as time-wise on this one. The ground being so soft, you know.
Not too bad.
The first stone that we reset was the stone of Andrew Armstrong. This stone was noted in the cemetery book in 1987 as being interesting due to the inscription. The stone reads, "Sacred to the memory of Andrew Armstrong, who departed this life in the month of May, AD 1835, aged 38 years. He was a native of Lincoln County, state of North Carolina, and died absent from his relations and on his return from Charlestown." He married Harriet Oliver in 1821 and obviously died in the Neely's Creek area on his return home from Charleston, South Carolina.
At least it's just misting.
Huh?
At least it's just misting.
It doesn't bother me at all. Glad to be out here with you guys.
Getting close.
Put one more in and we'll look at it again. I'm just standing on its own now. Or no?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. So, this spring or whenever we can start getting back out here, we're going to focus on this area over here. This section.
Yeah.
That's going to be next. Like we did over there. Just getting everything leveled, and then maybe repair a few. There's a lot. Those are all blocked out. You know, I almost grabbed my rake out of the trail too, and now I remember why I thought I needed it. But I talked myself out of it. I said, no, we're not going to rake for this.
You doing that one next?
Yeah, I think so. That one, then we might do that one, then maybe that one.
That one's still really close.
think this was the bottom of
Let me put that out a little bit more. Hey Brandon.
Yeah.
Can you read this now that I fill it in?
It says Andrew Armstrong, who departed this life in the
month of May
1835, aged 35 years.
County. He was from Lincoln County, state of, is that North Carolina, and died
Absent from
his,
it's hard to read.
okay.
From his something return from Charleston.
Charleston.
Yeah.
He died coming home.
Yeah.
Scott was right. I didn't like, what?
Yeah. Wayfaring stranger. He died and buried him here.
Yes, this guy died on the way back from Charleston?
Yeah.
So it's probably fine.
it. Absent from his relations.
That's what I did.
What did we say, 16?
Let's see.
That's about it.
You want help?
It's long. Yeah, it's heavy. It doesn't look like it is, but it is.
The second stone we reset was for Lucinda Brown. There's not a lot of information readily available for her. The stone only says, "Sacred to the memory of Lucinda Brown, wife of R.T. Brown." I'm pretty sure that I found the correct R.T. Brown, who later remarried and had more children, moving to Tennessee before the 1880 census.
Alright. Put one more scoop in and then I think I'm gonna
Back or the front?
back corner over here. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, now I think we're gonna have to go that way with it.
Oh, that one's got some nice artwork on it too.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna go grab that other shovel.
Okay.
Love to grab that string.
It's not raining anymore. This is our window. We're just out here a little early.
Getting a jump start. Yeah, I think so.
Alfred Sweat's grave marker was the third and final stone we reset on this rainy day.
There's a story. I can't
The only
remember.
definite information I found on him is in records from the 1860 census and the 1870 census, in both of which he was married to Elizabeth, who was 20 years younger than he was.
What it is.
There were 5 children living with them in their household, ranging from ages 2 to 16. In 1870, there were several additional children.
That's a nice stone. This is a really nice stone.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
We were talking about the design on it.
And that came out in one piece.
Yeah, this isn't bad. Not like that one. That one over there was for supper.
This one's bigger.
Got it?
Yep, this is it.
Most of those do have them.
This is it right here. Whatever this is. Oh, no.
Is it another stone?
It's a field stone.
While searching for footstones for these 3 markers, we made a very surprising discovery nearby. After finding a large fieldstone near the foot of Lucinda's grave, we later found 3 more fieldstones which lined up perfectly with another exposed fieldstone. We ended up finding 4 graves that had been lost to time on this day.
In the front is
Be sure to stick around to the end for a look at this row of long-lost gravestones.
Yeah. This is gonna be one of those ones that we slide in on the side. Hold on. I want to get in a better spot.
Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, we're good.
Let's pick it up and drag it back this way a little bit. Easier said than done.
You did a good bit of work on that last pickup. I felt it.
First time today.
Yeah.
I gotta take my jacket off now.
Oh, flex for the camera. Show them the pump.
Hey, I've been on a good workout routine.
There you go.
I'm gonna say it's right there. It's real close. It might not be perfect. But we can make it. We can make it close. For now. Well, there's no telling whose grave that is, and you'll never know because there's it's lost the time, you know.
Yeah.
Dude, you're like 90 degrees.
There we go.
Find another one?
That's a footstone.
What's that?
I bet that's a footstone. I haven't heard what I was going to say though. That's a stone. There you go. Tom's next adventure.
Hey, I'm supposed to go over there and have an adventure.
Found more burnt wood.
I can smell it.
What's that from?
We were thinking that they probably have just used fill dirt from down there over the years. Yeah. Whenever the coffins collapsed.
I'm going to dig this up. Save my back.
Where's it at?
So we have raised up the graves of Alfred Sweat, Andrew Armstrong, and Lucinda Brown. And in the process of the next row over today, we found several field stones. So this whole row appears to be a row of graves that were marked with field stones. One you could already see, and we have found how many? 4? This is the 4th one, right?
Yeah, looks like it.
This one's small.
And then that one we could already see. Yeah, these things are going to be everywhere, I bet, out here. But it would not be here if it wasn't a marker.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to see what we discover next in this historic cemetery.